Hi guys, good morning. Happy Thursday. It's Maundy Thursday. Yan. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Yes. Oops. Yan. So, I'm live here from the western side of Canada in BC, and it's 9:45 a.m. here. Yan, so the weather is so nice today. As in, for somebody who's living in Canada, this weather is very, very, very nice. You'll appreciate the sun pag matagal ka na dito. So unlike in the Philippines, ayoko ng masyadong mainit. Ayan. So by the way, my name is Camille, and I'm a business owner. I help mothers around the globe like you and me build their own successful business online. And so for today, I'm here at the park, and let me show you yung park. How? Okay, I'll just pan the camera. Ito, so, yan. So, nasa park ako. So, malapit lang naman sa amin to. So, mga less than or mga 5-minute drive. Yan. So, today, I'm on leave as planned. So, it's a long weekend. So, walang pasok tomorrow, Friday, and then Monday, Easter Monday, wala ring pasok. So, I decided to take the day off. So, para mas very, very long weekend for me. But up to last night, I'm still thinking maybe I should just go to work and then just use my vacation time next time maybe. But still, I was planning to do some business activities for today. So last night I slept around 2:30 a.m. because I was writing a script for my ad. So hindi ko namalayan 2:30 na pala. So I started around, I think, 9:30. May mga ginawa lang ako. May mga before writing a script, may mga ginawa lang ako. And then I started the script around siguro mga 12 midnight. And then hindi ko namalayan to 2 a.m. na pala. And then nagulat pa ako. So dali-dali na ako nagsara ng laptop, and then nag-brush, naghilamos, and then para matulog. Although inaantok na rin talaga ako that time. So originally, plan was to shoot a video today. So, but since sabi ko, puyat ako kagabi, ang gagawin ko na lang, pagkahatid ko dun sa anak ko sa school, babalik ako ng bahay para matulog for a few hours para lang may energy ako for the whole day. But so after ko ihatid yung anak ko sa school, that's around 7:30. So yung pasok niya 8:20. So since yung pasok ko sa work is 8, nasanay na kami umaalis na 7:30. So sabi niya, alis din kami same time even though wala akong pasok. So gusto niya maaga sa school. So okay. So hinatid ko siya, and then I went to the grocery store to buy some mushroom para I'm planning to cook pasta for my lunch. And then ang ending, ang dami ko na namang nabili. Hindi lang mushroom. Different, kung ano-ano na yung nabili ko. Iba't ibang klase ng cheese, meron ng milk, I think chocolate milk, spices, tapos isang compound lang naman siya. So I was planning talaga sa groceries, and then sa drugstore, and then sa Dollarama. Isang compound lang siya, so it's easier. Since sarado pa yung drugstore, so nagpunta muna ako sa groceries. So yun nga, ang dami ko nabili, kung ano-ano na naman. And then And then, open na yung drugstore. So, may mga binili lang akong vitamins for myself. And then sa Dollarama, may binili ko. Ano nga ba binili ko sa Dollarama? Yeah, bumili lang ako ng battery for my weighing scale. Yan, so, yung weighing scale ko kasi lagi nilang sinasabi low bat na siya. So, bumili ako although working, pero in the beginning sasabihin niya low bat. So, bumili ako ng battery for specifically for that one. So yun, so I was planning to cook talaga pasta for lunch. And just to tell you like some facts about me. Hindi ako marunong magluto before. But pasta ever since marunong talaga ako magluto niyan. Kahit anong pasta, bigyan mo ko kahit anong ingredients. Gagawan kita ng pasta kahit anong kahit anong klaseng pastang sauce na gusto mo. Yan, favorite ko talaga yon, pasta. So, ever since yun lang yung alam kong lutuin. And then, eventually, when we moved here, so, dun sa original area or sa original province here in Canada, where we moved first, ang work ko is until 5. Yeah, I think that was 9 to 5. Sometimes longer, meron pa akong work nun before, until 7 p.m. So, my husband, siya yung nagluluto for dinner for us. So, that goes on for 2.5 years. So, now, when we moved to BC, and yung work ko, since last year, I think it was, since last year, when I moved to my recent job, mas maaga na ako nakakauwi. I can go to work 7:30 to 3:30 pag walang pasok, pag vacation time ng bata, or sa school, pag spring break, summer break, winter break, ayan. So, mga 2 weeks yon or 2 months pag summer, I'll go for the 7:30 shift. And then, pag hindi, the regular hours would be 8 a.m. to 4. So, 4 nakakauwi na ako ng bahay. So, mula noon, ako na yung nagluluto ng dinner. Sabi ng husband ko, ang tagal ko na nagluluto, taon na. So, ikaw, it's your time na. It's your duty na for ngayon. So, hindi nga ako marunong magluto. Marunong ako, the basic one. Yan, adobo, sinigang, nilaga, yung mga ganon, yung basic Filipino ulam. But, syempre hindi naman pwedeng ganon, di ba? Repeatedly, puro ganon lang. Hindi pwedeng ganon at ganon at ganon lang yung lulutuin mo. So, mahilig pa naman ako mag-imbento. So, kung ano man yung ingredients nandiyan sa bahay, nandiyan sa pantry, nandiyan sa kitchen, gagawa na lang ako ng kahit ano doon. Nung una nagagalit yung husband ko, bakit daw, kung ano-ano ginagawa ko. Meron daw ba akong fina-follow na recipe and all. Wala. Sometimes, okay naman. Lagi naman okay yung lasa. Sometimes medyo may palpak lang for a few times and magagalit sa akin kasi hindi mo sinunod. Ayan, kung ano-ano yung iniimbento mo. Well, sabi ko, saan ba nanggagaling yung mga recipes? Diba, invento lang din naman lahat yan. So then, eventually, natanggap na nila na yung mga luto ko is mga invento or kung ano-ano lang. Kung ano man yung available dyan. Or yung kung ano man yung naisip ko. Kung ano man yung nakita ko sa TikTok or online. Pagsasama-samahin ko yung mga ideas na yon, yung ingredients or yung sauce or yung luto, and then gagawa ako with my own version. And then eventually okay naman, tuwan-tuwa naman sila lagi. Every night iba-iba yung ulam nila na kakaiba or may twist. Yan. So yun. So right now, trying to veer away from red meat. So, for health purposes as well. And so far, effective naman siya. So, I'm trying to eat yung mga whole foods lang or yung mga plant-based or plants or yung mga talagang natural foods. So, chicken, konti lang, sobrang minimal lang ako kumain. And my main source of protein right now is tofu. So, that's why nagkasugat-sugat ako lagi. Dahil pag piniprito ko siya, yung the oil, nagtitilansikan sila. So, ang dami kong mga tilansik. Excuse me. From frying. Yun. So, and then, mushroom. Favorite ko rin yung mushroom. So, lagi hindi yan nawawalan sa bahay ng mushroom. Excuse me. Yan. So, ang dami nang naglalakad dito sa park. Tsaka yung mga bata, tsaka yung mga matatanda na, yan, naglalakad sila. So, dito talaga, here in Canada, yung mga matatanda, usually, they try to exercise talaga or walk lang around the area and regularly. Sometimes, makikita mo sila, even gabi na, sa neighborhood, maglalakad-lakad sila kasi nga since malamig for the rest of the year, so sinasamantala nila yung warm weather na makakapaglakad sila. Or meron din naman na yung pagka fall kahit malamig or spring kahit malamig pa, naglalakad-lakad sila. Hi James, hi Ann, thank you so much for watching. Yan, so lalakad-lakad sila. So tapos yung mga bata, yan, nasa park. Ang dami namang parks dito, like kaliwat kanan. So, talagang meron kang mapupuntahan at mapupuntahan. Yan, tapos yung mga aso, ilalakad nila, iwalk nila dyan. Yan, so medyo malamig pa. Although, bearable naman kasi may araw naman. So, pag nasa lilim ka, like now, nasa lilim ako, medyo pag humangin, malamig. Pero, yan, pag umusad lang ako dito, sa may initan, mainit siya talaga. So, okay lang. But since, mas gusto ko nga yung hindi masyadong mainit. So, dito ako sa lilim. Ayan. So, Holy Week. So, what are your plans for today, guys? So, yan, Thursday pa lang ngayon. So, later, mag-bisita iglesia kami, like what I have told you the other day, or yesterday, I guess. And, so, and my office for today is here at the park. So, ang dala ko lang is my tripod. And then my phone. So that's my office for today because now I'm doing my business. I'm my store. My business is open to you guys, and you can ask me anything. It's open 24/7. You can message me directly. So if you guys are looking for ways to earn extra online, don't hesitate to contact me, message me, or if you want, just comment down below info if you want to get more information about this one. So if the very first step is I would just register your email address to my website. By the way, my website is www.camilledigitallife.com. Yeah, so but you can register directly, or you can just message me your email address so I can register your email to my website myself. Yeah, so second step after the registration, you'll get the video link for the free 90-minute info video. Hi Marvin. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, and so you'll get the free 90-minute video. So on that video, you'll find information, the basic information about this business, and yung idea and the kalahatang, what do you call that? Yung idea of the business and the concept of the of this online business. And then, dun din, makikita niya rin yung mga testimonies of people around the world, yung mga successful stories nila on how they discovered this online business, how it changed their lives for the better, how their business is still growing, how they acquired skills, and how it's still helping their families. So by the way, our community is more than 250,000 in around the globe members. So if you join this community, you'll have the support and mentorship that you will need. It's free. We'll give it to you. We'll give everything like video resources and trainings, mentorships, the system, the administration tools, everything that you need in order for you to success on this business. So if you want to know more, message me guys. I'm always available. I'll reply back as soon as I can. If you have any questions, just type it in, send it to me, and I will gladly help. So hindi nyo malalaman yung business na to unless you look in the inside. So if I was like you before, I got curious and then I check it out, and then right at that instant na I felt it to myself na this business is for me. And then hindi ko siya matanggal sa isip ko, guys. After napanood ko yung ads nung ad nung coach ko, which is coach ko now, or yung coach ko here at the business, talagang hindi ko na siya natanggal sa isip ko. So napanood ko siya in December of 2023. Oh no, December of 2022. So, and I remember it was Christmas Eve. So, December 24th. So, after ko napanood, lagi ko na lang siya iniisip. And then, sabi ko, I think this is it. Ito yung hinahanap ko. So, I researched about the business. And then, I found out the people here are authentic, they're true. Lahat ng mga tao dito, lahat ng mga successes nila, totoo, lahat ng mga na-achieve nila, totoo, lahat ng potential business income or income nila, totoo. My coach, yung coach ko, she's earning around 6 figures a month. Yes, 6 figures a month. So imagine for a year kung ilang figures yon. Usually at the end of the year, mga 7 figures na yung naging kinita niya. But guys, hindi siya online, hindi siya overnight success, ha. Hindi siya when you join in today, you'll be rich tomorrow. Hindi ganun yun. You have to work for it as well. It's a legitimate business. Ito yung business na business talaga. When we say business, business talaga. Hindi siya yung fly-by-night lang. Hindi siya ganun. So our affiliate company has been here in the industry for more than 50 years. So imagine that. And then our community is going on 9th year. So it's getting stronger and better and larger. So they started around, I think, nung nag-start yung coach ko 6 years ago, I think nasa 7,000 lang yung members sa community or business owners. Now, 7 years after, it's 250,000 and still growing. So imagine the growth it achieved. So yun. So if you're looking for a long-term business, a long-term success in your life, and yung kung burnt out ka na sa work mo, or talaga naghahanap ka lang ng another source of income, I think this might be a good fit for you. So, better to check it out. Wala naman mawawala, you just have to check it out. So, the step 2 is you just have to watch the video, and then afterwards, we will ask you if you want to proceed to the third step. If not, if you don't like it, if you don't think this will be for you, and then that's okay. If you think you want to proceed on to the next step, and then you can just go on, proceed on the next step, let me know, and then we'll guide you from there. So the guidance starts actually from the time you register. So ayan guys, so for today, after this one, after my live, maybe I'll shoot some videos for my ads. I'm planning to do another ad, and so I'm gonna shoot maybe dito na lang outdoor, because it's we have a nice weather, I have a nice view, and I only need my phone and my tripod, that's all. So nothing fancy, nothing walang mga camera talaga or lighting, yung mga ganun, walang ganun. So I'm just using my phone for my business, and my laptop as well. Kung may mga kailangan gawing paperworks or mga Zoom meetings, or sa bahay, I'm using my laptop. But outside or anywhere, I can just do my business. At work, I can do it during groceries, coffee time with friends, or relaxing time here at the park. So anywhere, you can do this business anywhere and anytime. So, and this business has helped so many people or so many families around the world. Marami dito yung nakapag-quit na ng job nila from yung regular jobs nila, corporate jobs pa nga iba. Iba nga, ang ganda talaga, managers, doctor, supervisor, CEO talaga, and mga directors sa mga company, but they quit. Bakit? Because they want their time freedom. Not because of the money, because for sure, they are earning more dun sa careers nila. Yung mga nurses, ayan, ang lalaki ng kita niyan, di ba? But they quit their job. Some of them bawas lang ng oras, and then eventually they're planning to quit their nursing jobs or kung ano man yung high-paying jobs nila, because they want the time. They want the time for their families. They want the time for themselves. They want the time na relax lang sila. While bata pa sila, they can travel. They can do whatever they want. They're not gonna wait for retirement. 60, 65. I think now it's 67 pa nga here in Canada. They're not gonna wait for that para lang ma-enjoy yung kinita nila or yung mga savings nila or your retirement funds nila. So as early as now, they are planning their retirement 20 years ahead, 30 years ahead. Yung mga the youngest business owner here in our community, I guess she was 23 back then. She retired. I think she's on a medical field, but she retired after a few years here at the business. So now she's just traveling the world. So ang sarap, 'di ba? Ang sarap. And yung mentor ko, yung mga coaches dito sa community, mentors and coaches dito sa community, they are enjoying their time freedom. And yung iba, marami dito after bukod dito sa business na to, they have invested in property business. So they will buy properties and then rent it out or sell it out again. So yung business na to, it has given them more. Hindi lang itong business na to, it provided different kinds of business income too. But they're not working the 9 to 5 job. They're not doing the traditional office job or yung regular na Monday through Friday na job. So, hindi. And marami yung enjoying their time with the family na talaga. And yung mga mortgages nila talagang bayad na lahat. They can go anywhere they want. As in, plano ngayon and then bukas lilipad na sila. Ganong lifestyle. But always remember, it's not gonna be an overnight success, okay? So don't ever think na if you join, you'll get all the time and financial freedom right away. Hindi. You have to work for it. But yung pagtatrabaho mo naman is napaka-easy because we have an automated system that will do the heavy lifting for you, that will do everything for you. So ikaw, more on monitoring and more on showing up on your social media, on your business lang. But at the back end, there's a system who's doing the marketing, who's doing the selling for you, and all the other heavy, like, what do you call it? Admin system, admin task for you. So guys, I hope I'll see you next time. I hope I'll hear from you soon, and just comment down info or yes or how, whatever you want to comment down below, and just let me know if you want to know, if you want to get more information. Okay, but maybe just comment down info, so it would be easier. It would be easier for me to know that you're asking for more information about the business. Okay, so after this one, so I'll shoot more videos, take more pictures maybe, so I can use it on my business, and then magpapa-car wash ako kasi ang dumi ng kotse ko. And then afterwards, uwi na ako sa bahay, I'll cook dinner, and then relax for a bit. It's my me time today, so it's my free day for myself. And then it's a long weekend. Happy long weekend, guys. Happy long weekend to everyone who's gonna watch, or who's watching right now and who's gonna watch afterwards. Okay, guys, I'll see you soon. I'll see you on my next live. Bye.